Good morning, everyone. Welcome back to another video. In today's video, we're going to be removing this really old crappy tint that was on from the previous owners when I bought this car. It's like peeling in the corners and like it's just a really bunk tint. So I'm gonna be trying to remove this today. I've never removed tint ever in my life, so just know, keep in mind, this is the first time I've ever done this, I've ever tried this. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna get a razor and a blow dryer just to heat it up, because I feel like it'd be like taillight tint, which I've dealt with before. So I think I'm just gonna get a razor and taillight tint and just go from there and hopefully remove all the tint, and hopefully it will not be too hard. I'm gonna have my brother's help probably, so this will hopefully go by a little bit faster. And I'll just take you through the process of removing my old tint on my 2006 WRX. First thing we're gonna do though is move my mom's Pilot. We're gonna move that out of the garage so we can have the entire garage to have the whole space to work on it. So I'm gonna just move it out and then put the Subi more over this way so I have like the whole entire garage space to work on it. So like I said, I've actually never done this before, but what I kind of read a little bit about is just to heat up the edge and get it really hot. And then me and my brother have a razor, and we're just gonna like go and hopefully get the tint off of all the windows. And hopefully it should go smoothly. That's the plan, but let's just try it out. We will go on hot, on high. And just like that, we have removed the back tint. The next thing we're gonna do is just take a razor, maybe some like glass cleaner or something, and erase it and cleaner all this stuff off, because there's all these like little like sticky specks, and right here was sticking and stuff. But that actually went way easier than I thought it was going to be. The only thing now though is I'm gonna be pretty much in a fishbowl until I get it retinted, but it is all good because it needed to come off. It was super bunk. We have 1, 2, 3, about 6 more windows. So let's knock them out. I did the same process on these 2 back windows. I cleaned up kind of this one. There's nothing to clean up on this because this one just went by fast. I now have the passenger and driver's side 2 windows. So 4 more windows, and then we will be done, but it's going good so far. There is a little bit of residue left that you can just razor off, and that is like the process on all of the windows. So when it is 100% done, I will come back and show you how big of a fishbowl this thing is going to look like. And just like that, we are now done. This was the last one that I had, and it is now completely fishbowled. I'm gonna give you guys a walk around and talk about everything. So basically what I did, especially on the windows that were bad, like this one, and that one is kind of bad, and I'll show you, is once you peel it off, you actually take Goo Gone and a spray bottle. You definitely can't see because it's glass, but you just take Goo Gone and a rag, wipe it all off, and then I rinse it off with water and wiped it off with a rag. But there are some streaks you can kind of see right here on this last window. I'm gonna take care of the streaks and then it's gonna be done. But my camera is about to die, so I guess I'll just hurry and do the quick walk around now. It is almost a bone stock WRX. The only thing I have is an exhaust. I don't even have like tinted windows or anything. It looks crazy. It's like a fishbowl. Oh, this is weird. But I'm going to get my windows tinted in the future once I get more money from paychecks and stuff from work. So I'm waiting on that, and then I will get new tint and a new radio, and then my car will be almost perfect. So I hope you guys enjoyed this short little tint video. I just wanted to give you guys another video because I want to update you on everything I do to this Subi. So today the goal was to remove the tint, which is done. Once I'm done like Goo Goning all of this crappy window, then it will be 100% done, and my WRX will start to come together. But yeah, my camera's about to die. Hopefully it doesn't die right now. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. I hope you did enjoy. I will see you in the next one. Peace out.